pandemic and the nationwide surge in COVID cases causing flight delays and cancellations for holiday travelers. The outbreak has left airlines short-staffed as passengers try to make it to their destinations in time for Christmas. Across the country, United canceled more than 170 flights, at least 55 out of Newark. Delta canceled 145 flights nationwide. CBS 2's John Diaz has more.
I'm feeling ready to go home and start the holidays.
Brenda Womack says that with a smile, trying to keep up the holiday cheer. Even though she's been stranded overnight at Newark Liberty International Airport, her flight to Arkansas was canceled, and it's been difficult getting on a new one.
When they came on at 4 a.m. this morning, the lady told me I couldn't get out until 4:59 this afternoon.
Airlines are seeing a 184% increase in traffic from 2020. But nationwide, delayed messages are greeting thousands of travelers at airports this Christmas Eve, and hundreds of other flights were just flat out canceled, mostly due to Omicron cases, airline staff calling out sick with COVID or saying they have been exposed to someone infected. Robert Sinclair is with AAA.
Not surprising, they have so much public contact that folks, despite best efforts, are coming down with the virus.
In a statement, Delta Airline apologized to customers, saying in part, teams have exhausted all options and resources, including rerouting and substitutions of aircraft and crews to cover scheduled flying. Earlier this week, Delta's CEO warned of possible staffing shortages in this letter to the CDC when it was seeking a shorter quarantine window for breakthrough cases.
There's just so much that any employer can do. For those that work in offices, employers can say stay home and work remotely, but that's not the case with airline personnel.
This as lines grew at JetBlue's terminal for on-time flights. Passengers say the airline was experiencing issues printing out baggage tickets, causing a backlog.
The machine's not working right, and it's just terrible.
Hundreds anxiously waited for hours, fearing they'll miss their flights.
It's awful. It's awful.
For my siblings and my parents, I think they're a little bit stressed out right now trying to figure it out.
And many airlines say that they are doing their best to try and rebook as many travelers as they possibly can, trying to get them to their holiday destination in time. But clearly they are up against that Christmas clock. From Newark Airport, John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
Travel experts say already existing staff shortages due to the pandemic are playing a factor in all of this as well. It's thought that March of 2022 is the earliest they'll fix the overall problem.